Have you ever tried this amazing recipe? If not, you must try this once and you will love it. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's see how to make this mouth-watering recipe. You can name anything to this recipe. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 3 cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute them. Now we'll add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Fry the onions until transparent. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until its raw smell leaves. Next add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, mix well. Now I am going to add little water to prevent the spice powder burning. Fry them nicely. Next I am going to add 1½ finely chopped tomatoes and add salt to taste and cook the tomatoes until mashy. As you can see here, the masala is cooked well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder and saute for few seconds. Now spread this masala evenly, keep the flame on low and break the eggs and add to it. I have used 4 eggs. You can use eggs of your choice. Sprinkle with some coriander leaves and add pinch of salt on every egg. Close the lid and cook on low flame until the eggs are cooked. As you can see here, the eggs are almost cooked. Now give them cuts like this. Isn't it looks like a pizza? Now if you want half boiled, you can have like this only. Now I'm going to flip over to another side and fry for 4 to 5 seconds. And the amazing, super tasty, mouth-watering egg recipe is ready to be served. Egg masala, egg fry or egg pizza. You can give anything name to this wonderful mouth-watering recipe. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share it with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Don't forget